Hello everyone, welcome to Saraswati Tech Hub. This is Ramesh Rathod. Friends, today's our topic is PMEGP, the startup scheme. Okay, recently our Prime Minister launched Champions Portal. In the Champions Portal, there are separate one portal is there, separate one group is there in the name of startup schemes. So in that startup schemes, a first one is PMEGP, Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. So we are going to discuss a step by step what is the PMEGP and what are the procedures to apply for the startup schemes. What are the important steps you have to be taken, and what about the project reports, how you can apply through portal, everything I will tell you. So why are you waiting for? Let's go friends. Thank you. Here the schemes for starters. Okay, in the name of Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, PMEGP. Okay, and what are the eligibility conditions for these schemes? So we learn today. Okay, so first of all, he or she unemployed youths. She or he must be unemployed youths. If you are employed, that's not a problem. Okay, if you are unemployed, you can apply this. There is no issue with this. There is uncertain conditions, but it may not be considered. Okay, so who can apply this? A Indian citizen, any Indian citizen, he can apply these loan schemes. Okay, and this year with the financial year 2020 to 2021, actual budget is 2500 and 500 crores. 2500 2500 crores. Fine. So what about these schemes? What are the details about these schemes? Okay, it is the back appraised and financed subsidy program. See, it is finance with subsidy. With subsidy, back will give loan with subsidy. Okay, so next is how much amount under this PMEGP you can get. Okay, there are two certain programs here. One is manufacturing unit and second one is service unit. This one for the manufacturing unit, they are giving loan up to 25 lakhs, and for service sector it is around rupees 10 lakhs. Got the point? For manufacturing, it is 25 lakhs and service sector it is 10 lakhs. Who will get benefit into this? Okay. For general category, see, there are two types, urban and rural. In a general category, for urban peoples will get around 15% subsidy, and rural people will get, rural unemployed youths will get 25%. Fine. For next is special category. Special category in the sense SC, ST, OBC, women's and hill area peoples. Okay, this one. In this special category, the same thing, urban and rural. Okay, in the urban 25% subsidy they will get, and the rural 35% subsidy they will get. Okay, special category peoples. Okay, next is contribution of the entrepreneur. What are the contribution of the entrepreneur? See, bank if bank pays 95% of the loan and you have to pay 5%. But there are two rules. In the general category, he should pay 10% if bank loan gives 90% loan. Okay. And special category peoples will pay 5% and they will get 95% loan. Done. Done. And next is where you have to apply the loan. Fine. Where you have to apply the loans. First of all is this is the fully online service scheme. You cannot apply through offline. You should apply through online only. Okay. And applicant should apply through several websites. So I will tell you the websites. See, there are first one is www.kviconline.government.in. You can apply through this, or else you can apply through DIC, District Industries Center, or else KVIC, Khadi Village Industries Commission, or else State Khadi Village Industries Board, KVIB, or else COIR Board. COIR Board. COIR Board. You can apply through this DIC, KVIC, KVIB and COIR Board. These are the four websites. You can go through this and you can apply this scheme. Okay. And or else you want some supports while applying these schemes, you can mail to them, or else they have particular landline numbers. Okay. Go through the four which I told you above, four website. You can reach them very easily. Otherwise, if you have any doubts regarding this, please give me a mail. My mail ID is rathodramesh 780@gmail.com. If you have any doubts, please reach me out here. Okay. And this information, then please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you very much guys. Take care.